Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS. These rights and freedoms are existential not only to Singapore's status as a maritime hub, but also to the growth and functioning of the global economy. Singapore was one of the architects of UNCLOS, which clearly stipulates the right of transit passage for all ships and aircraft through straits used for international navigation. Under UNCLOS, open trade has flowed freely and shipping networks were optimized for efficiency. Routes are designed to minimize costs, and supply chains were structured for scale. Interdependence was seen as a source of stability and resilience. Today, UNCLOS continues to be the key pillar of the international rules-based maritime order. But what was once a multilateral system underpinned by shared commitment is now increasingly fragile. In a fragmented system, trust carries a premium. Shipping depends not only on infrastructure, but also on confidence. That confidence that international frameworks will be respected, that ports will operate reliably, that rules will be applied consistently, and that contracts will be honoured. Singapore's maritime ecosystem is built on these foundations: strong rule of law, transparent governance, a thriving ecosystem of maritime services such as finance, insurance, legal, and arbitration. Singapore remains a steadfast steward of UNCLOS. We are committed to upholding UNCLOS as the legal framework that underpins navigational rights and freedoms, including the right of transit passage for maritime trade.